Hey everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing a close-up / show and tell of these Rilakkima squishies. And these are the original release squishies. Currently you are seeing the Rilakkima on the stacked macaroon. There is a pink and brown macaroon, and yes, they are squishy. It has a little cell phone strap as well. These are dated for 2010. This next one is my personal favorite. It's Korillakumma on a stacked macaroon, and there's a little dollop of whipped cream next to her. This one has a turquoise and a pink macaroon. Okay, now we're moving on to the cupcakes. This is a Rilakkima cupcake with a cherry on top. This is very squishy. I'm showing you the squishiness of the macaroons again. And these cupcake squishies are dated 2011. They came out a year later. I also noticed the sprinkles on the ear, which is really cute. And then, of course, we have the Korillakumma cupcake. It has pink frosting and pink whipped cream. There's also a cherry on the top. This one was always my personal favorite. And here is the tag. Once again, dated 2011. Okay, so that is it for this show and tell. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of a quick one. I want to say thank you so much for watching. And until next time, I will talk to you guys all later. Bye, guys.